that wind die down. However, with that comes some cooler temperatures. Is that right?
Indeed, it's a chilly night across the valley. We have clearing skies along with our decreasing wind, and that's a perfect recipe with a little bit of fresh frosty flakes to cause temperatures to dive fairly quickly. A look out at Hector, 8 degrees on the thermometer. It is chilly. It feels like -3 right now. The wind has died down to 7 miles per hour. We have 7 in Moorhead, 5 in Langdon, 15 in Jamestown, and 14 in Gwinner. And off to the east is where the coolest of the air mass is. Single digits there since earlier this evening, and some of that seems to have backed its way into the Cass Clay County area. Wahpeton is at 12. Now, the strongest winds east of the Red River for Otter Tail County, we have some gusts upwards of 15 to 20 miles per hour, but we're starting to see calm winds and even a reversal of wind direction out to the west, a sign of things to come tonight. More on that in a second. Right now, it's those wind chills between 5 below and 15 below across most of western Minnesota and the Red River Valley. It's pretty chilly out in the James River Valley and the Devil's Lake Basin as well, with single-digit wind chills. Clearing skies, a band of clouds out to the west, though, that did produce some snow earlier today in western North Dakota. Here's your forecast. Now, as we head to bed tonight, these single-digit temperatures will dip briefly below zero for some. May spend a little bit more time below zero out in Minnesota. I pause this at 5:30 in the morning because if you're an early riser, could have some flakes of snow with this warm front pushing in. It will create cloudiness across much of the region and some really insignificant snowfall amounts, but certainly could add to the slippery conditions on your morning commute. Temperatures will warm with those clouds moving in as we go towards daybreak. So for the next few hours, 3 or 4 hours, we'll see temperatures fall fairly sharply and then rise, particularly in our western counties. After you head to work and school, things start to improve in our eastern North Dakota counties. Temperatures between 30 and 35 degrees there, climbing out of the teens for many in Lakes Country, but still chilly in northwest Minnesota. Notice this. A break from the wind throughout the day. As this warm front continues to slowly progress eastward, we'll really start to see some sunny skies and pretty fair conditions. 35 to 40 for many in eastern North Dakota, while afternoon temperatures will be in the 20s and continue to climb into the mid-evening hours across portions of western Minnesota as that warmer air mass surges forward. So for your day tomorrow, we start out with clouds, maybe even an isolated flurry and teens, and we'll see temperatures continue rising even after the morning hours into the afternoon. 32 for your afternoon high, with south winds generally under 15 miles per hour throughout the day. Best chance at the real warm stuff in our far western counties. You'll kiss 40 degrees in Jamestown. Temperatures in that 20 to 25 degree range when you're getting off of work and school. Remember, for our far eastern counties, you may see even a little more boost in temperatures as we head toward the 8 to 10 o'clock hour. Great shot here. Sunrise on Fleckenfjord Lake. Thanks for sharing. That's near Elbow Lake, Minnesota. All right, Wednesday, a shot of flakes possible, 35 degrees. Then as we head into Thursday, we cool off a little bit with a few spotty showers of snow as well. Nothing significant there. Friday, big game day, Friday night, with temperatures that will be fairly steady in the upper 20s for your evening. Best chance of snow highlighted for you on Saturday as an Alberta Clipper makes its way in.
So correct me if I'm wrong, but tonight may seem like the coolest night that we're going to have in the next 7 days, right?
Right. So I'd recommend you bring in the laundry from the clothespin line outside.
Yeah, sure.
When you get home.
That would be good.
Yeah, they'll be a little crispy.
A little crispy.
Yeah.
Thanks, Hutch.
Yep.